Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Self-Made palette. I'm talking pretty quickly because it's January 1st when I'm like filming this intro. The neighbors are shooting really loud fireworks, so yeah, happy new year. So yeah, we're reviewing the Self-Made palette today. 3 looks with the Self-Made palette. This palette is the same price as the other. This palette is also a $10 palette with 25 eyeshadows in it. This one has a really unique color story to me. That's why I was drawn to this palette. I love how like the tones are different throughout the entire palette. I do think that this palette performed better than the Violets Are Blue palette. The mattes are much more smoother and they feel more buttery, and the shimmers actually performed about the same. They do feel like a little chalky, but they do go on just as gorgeous. So yeah, let's hop into some looks using this palette.
I fell in love cause you looked so fine. So darling, please don't mind. I fell in love maybe once or twice. But you look so fine. You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? At 9, at 9, at 9, at 9, after 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 9. Oh, I fell in love cause you looked so fine. So darling, please don't mind. I fell in love maybe once or twice. But you look so fine. You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? You are the sunshine in my life. Will you come over to my place at 9? At 9, 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 after 9, after 9, after 9, after 9.
Every day I'm waiting for you, you won't give it up. Hunger for the feeling that you give me like a drug. You got underneath my skin and I've been trying to hide it. I wanna feel your summertime, wanna feel the heat. Cause every time you leave, it's as cold as it can be. I wish that I could see you through the night. And your sweet sunshine, no, I'm never gonna learn, not until it hurts. And your sweet sunshine, like everywhere I turn, now everybody burn. And the sweet sunshine, in the sweet sunshine, in the sweet sunshine, in the sweet sunshine, in the sweet sunshine. on hiding, got me wondering about where you are. Promised me everything but left me for the sky and stars. Are you up there shining down your light on somebody else? Cause everybody wants you, everybody tries, but you're not gonna settle down in any skies. Wish that I could see you through the night. And your sweet sunshine, no, I'm never gonna learn, not until it hurts. And your sweet sunshine, like everywhere I turn, now everybody burn. And the sweet sunshine, in the sweet, in the sweet, in the sweet, in the sweet sunshine, in the sweet. I'm lost in the dark when you go, and I'll follow you high and you low. In the sweet sunshine, in the sweet sunshine, no, I'm never gonna learn, not until it hurts. In your sweet sunshine, like everywhere I turn, now everybody burn. In the sweet sunshine, in the sweet, in the sweet, in the sweet, in the sweet sunshine, in the sweet, in the everybody burn, burn, everybody burn.
I've seen this day turn to blue eyes, want to fade away into the scars on lights on my bones. I'm here to stay, and I don't know what it's all about. Get to the part where there are no doubts. Get to the part where I feel complete. I've been on the run for so long. Now I found me. Fears disappear, I'm standing strong. I'm breaking free. And I don't know what it's all about. Get to the part where there are no doubts. Get to the part where I feel complete. I wanna know what it's all about. I've been on the run for so long. Now I found me. Fears disappear, I'm standing strong. I'm breaking free. And I don't know what it's all about. Get to the part where there are no doubts. Get to the part where I feel complete.
Alright you guys, and that was the 3 looks that I filmed with the ShopMissA Self-Made palette. And I must say that I do really enjoy this palette. I do recommend this palette a lot more than I recommend the Violets or Blue palette. If you're looking for some really stunning blue shades, I definitely would pick up the Violets or Blue palette. But if you're looking for a very unique and different color story to add to your collection, then I definitely would pick this palette up. This one definitely made me feel a lot more creative. I wanted to give you guys the same, like a neutral, a colorful, and a wearable colorful, but this one actually brought up more creativity in me for me to do like bold and or more colorful look. I will say that the mattes in this palette blew me away. They're definitely really great. The black in this palette is definitely a really nice blendable black, which I really love. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video. And the rainbow palette from ShopMissA is the next and last palette that I bought on Black Friday to review for you guys, so that one should be coming up soon as well, and I hope that you stick around to watch that one. I will see you guys hopefully on the next video. Bye guys.